Alright, Christopher just put some motor oil in there in a jug. Buddy. These stupid bugs, man. There's like millions of them flying around. Look at all of them. I bet you can see them on the video camera.
Yep.
They're everywhere. Everywhere. Stupid bug, Virginia. Nothing's happening.
I think it's done for.
Yeah, I don't think it's working anymore. It doesn't have that microwavy sound, you know, that brrr, that deep sort of. Eli, shut up.
You need to stay out of there, Eli.
We don't like you. Ugly.
Look who's coming.
God, you're ugly. You're pretty. Zella's a pretty puppy. Eli's ugly. There's a Tame Master 1000 right there, buddy.
He got tamed.
Oh, man. Yeah, that microwave's not doing anything.
You know what you can do with it now? Set it on fire.
I don't care what you do with it. It ain't no good. Nick, man, get on the Tame Master 1000 and tame it. I can get you on video. He's tired. He's sleepy.
Me too.
I am too. I like go to bed right now. Sleepy. I don't think that's gonna do anything.